channel, or if you're new here then hi. Hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be doing a self-care day. So I've been meaning to do this for ages and just haven't got around to it. So today I'm going to dedicate myself to make myself, oh god, the camera's shaking, sorry. I'm gonna dedicate the day to make myself feel better. I know self-care and pamper days don't solve everything, but they definitely make you feel a bit better about yourself. So the time is 12:30 and I've already had my breakfast, washed my face, brushed my teeth obviously, and an episode and a half of Peaky Blinders because season 5 is out on Netflix. So if you haven't watched that yet, then give it a watch. First thing I'm going to do is something that I've seen on TikTok. Now I know this is going to go wrong, I'm probably going to end up with damaged eyes, where they take a strip lash and cut it up and then put it underneath their eyes and it looks like lash extensions. So I thought I'd make a fool of myself, at least it's on camera, funny content. I've got these lashes, the middle ones. I don't think they are the exact same lashes. When I have them on they look really different. So we're going to cut these babies up and hopefully I'm going to have nice eyelashes. So here's my lash. As you can see, I've accidentally cut some of the hairs off as well, so that's great. We'll give it a bit of a waft. Ouch. Did I do it? Oh my god, it's fell off. Whoa, look at that. Don't look like the woman's on TikTok, does it? Oh my god. What? I think I'm going to leave them all, I'm going to put them in the glue and leave them to dry. Hi, had an outfit change. I actually decided to get out of my pyjamas. That looks shit. So the person on TikTok says this can last for a few days, so if it does then that's great, but these are not. I know. Oh, this just came off of my finger. Nice. Oh my god. I don't think I'm sticking these right, they're literally just coming off. From a distance they look okay. Now if you look up close, it looks funny. Ah, too much glue. Yesterday I had sensitive eyes for no reason and now I'm happily sticking glue in my eye. Well, this eye looks very different. This one is actually... Oh, the front ones came off. I'm not touching them anymore. It hurts. Do I recommend it? No. Is it worth it? Also no. These aren't going to last for 3 days. I'll probably end up pulling them off and my eyelashes will probably come with it. So that's nice. Can't wait for that. I'll try and do a close-up just so you can laugh. So here's a close-up. Okay, that's how presentable I'm looking for today. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to do with my day. Maybe I'll go on my daily walk or maybe I'll sit in the garden. You'll see in the next clip. So I've just had lunch. It was a bagel with corned beef and lettuce, spinach and some light mayo. It was really nice. Now we're going on the daily walk. We aren't taking the dog because I think he's starting to hate us from walking so much. Hi all, so I've been sat in the garden for the past 3 hours now, so yeah, not a very productive day at all, but it was like the last nice day of weather, so I had to make the most of it. The main thing of a self-care day for me is having a bath and face mask, so that's what I'm going to do shortly. Before that I'm just going to do a workout because I do feel like it's a form of self-care to exercise and it's good for your mind. Well, it's good for my mind anyway. So I'm sorry about the state of my iPad, but this is the workout that I'm going to do. 20 minutes at home workout from MadFit. She's actually really good, her videos are good. So yeah, let's do this. So I've done my workout. It wasn't actually as long as I was planning. I got bored, so I turned it off, which is not something you should do. So now, as you can probably hear, my bath is running. I'm just going to show you what I'm using, and then I'm going to go into my room to put a face mask on. So this is the shampoo that I'm using at the moment. It's the Mao shampoo and conditioner in the vanilla one. These are really good, and it's actually the only shampoo that I've ever used that makes your hair smell like what it says, so that's nice. I'm also going to put this bath fizzer in just to use it up. This is actually really good, so my bath should be blue after this. This is the hair mask that I usually use every time I wash my hair, so that's just going on to make it a bit softer. We're not doing a deep condition today. And I got this in a Birchbox ages ago, and I've been using it ever since. It's a little scrubby soap thing for your face, so that's really good. It makes your skin really soft. So now I'm going to go and do my face mask. So this is my favourite ever face mask. I need to buy the full size of this, it's so expensive though. It's the Generation Clay Detoxifying Charcoal Clay Mask. This really helps with shrinking your pores and stuff, so yeah, I'm gonna put this on. So, dye my eyebrows. As you can tell, my eyebrows are so light. So this is what I used to dye them. Beard dye works a treat. So this thing is like so much cheaper than buying a small tube of eyebrow dye, and a lot of them I'm actually allergic to. You mix the two tubes that you get, mix them together, and then put it on your eyebrows and wait for them to turn darker. So I'm looking a bit crazy right now, so I'm gonna wipe this off. Wow, look at that. Okay, well this has dyed the skin a bit underneath, so it looks like I've got a fat slug at the front, but within a day it will come off the skin. So, so that's the eyebrows. That's disgusting. And I'm just gonna do my skincare routine. I do the same thing every night. So cleanse, tone and moisturise. I've already cleansed. So now I'm going to tone with the Simple toner. This is actually really good. And we just put it all over the face. This I bought a while ago. I use this every night. It's really good for scarring. So I used to have a lot of scars here. You can still kind of see them, but now I've got them on this side as well. So I'm trying to get rid of these, but this is really good to help with like acne and scarring. I just put it on my cheeks and a bit on my forehead, a bit on my nose, and a bit on my chin. Only use a little bit though. And then the last skincare step is night cream. The one I use is the Soap & Glory Speed Plump. This one's very, very moisturising, and because I've been sat in the sun all day, I need a lot of moisture. I forgot to say, when I got out of the shower I used this, which is the Body Shop Vanilla Marshmallow Body Butter. This smells incredible. So my hair smells like vanilla, I smell like vanilla, it's great. I smell great. The eyelashes, by the way, are doing their own thing. This eye is misbehaving a lot more, and there's one that just won't stay, but none have fell out yet, I don't think. So if you want to give it a go for yourself, do it. Just don't blind yourself like I did. That is my skincare. Simple. So what better way to end a pamper night with Netflix? Well, I'm not on Netflix yet, but later tonight I'll be on Netflix. But right now, you guessed it, alcohol. So I'm just about to go on FaceTime. Oh my god, that's actually really nice. It's passion fruit martini in a can because I can't get it in a proper cocktail, so this will do for now. That was my mini self-care day. Usually I will fake tan and whiten my teeth, but that's unrealistic for me anyway for quarantine because nobody's seeing me. I'm not wasting expensive teeth whitening strips and I'm not wasting my fake tan, to be honest, and I'm peeling on my chest, so we don't want to do anything with that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was kind of like a vlog style chilled video in the end, but anyway, I hope you liked it, and if you did, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.